This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Bank owned. 3-bedroom 2-bath 2-car garage home. New roof to be installed prior to closing. Home needs all cosmetic updating. Good floor plan. Large fenced backyard. Home is sold as is. Seller has no knowledge of condition of the home or the in-ground pool. Great neighborhood, located in the heart of Melbourne. Minutes across the causeway to the beaches. Property is part of First Look offeree program and will be marketed first 30 days to owner occupants. For more information, review the details below.